The Surface Duo was the phone that I really enjoyed, and I was hoping that the 2 and the 3 will be different. Then the 2 came out, and it was different, but to be fair, I never bought it because I really loved the first Surface Duo, and in the second I didn't love the camera bump. While I was using an Android phone, which was Google Pixel 6 Pro back then, to make my pictures, I didn't care about the camera. But now the Surface Duo 3 should be the next one to come, right? Well, it's not. There's a possibility that the Surface Duo 3, it will come out, but it's not coming out on a dual factor. It's coming out as a single screen, which, to be fair, I think Microsoft is really making a big mistake here. Now, let's discuss about what went wrong with the first Surface Duo. The first one. The software was way out of hand. I mean, it was so bad when it first released. So bad that the phone was literally unusable. And second, the price. I mean, don't get me wrong, I personally loved the Surface Duo, but it has nothing inside of it for the price. The camera was bad, the bezels was there, the speakers was... the processor was no. I mean, no, you can't do serious things on that phone. So how did you manage to get to the price that you sold the Surface Duo? I mean, what did you think? You saw Samsung sending the foldables and they're having success and you will come in and have the same success? No, your phone didn't have the power that Samsung has. Your phone didn't have the camera that Samsung have. It didn't even have dual speakers, to be fair. So what are we talking about here, Microsoft? The price that you came was really high for most people, especially for what they were getting, not putting in the consideration the software, because we didn't know how the software was until we actually took the phone. So this is what I think it went wrong, in my opinion. Now, when the second phone came out, because you have the decency to release the Surface Duo 1, with the software that you did, people lost trust. I mean, you're a software company. Microsoft made Windows, and you can't make an Android version for your phone? I mean, like, how does that work? You know? I understand it's pretty hard to optimize the screen and stuff, so I do understand there's some really cool tech inside of it. But Microsoft, you wanted to release this device so people will buy it in masses. Not to say that you stop supporting it. I mean, I'm hearing rumors that you can't even repair a Surface Duo 2 at the moment. I saw a comment on somebody that he wants to change the battery, but he can't because Microsoft doesn't support it anymore, you know, and you don't even offer warranty. You swap the device, but at the moment you're out of stock. So people who's still in warranty, they're kind of screwed. There's nothing they can do. So you messed up with the first one. The second one, what you had to do is lower the price, literally go on a loss, lower the price and let as many phones as possible to be sold. People, they can afford it, they will buy it. Let people buy it to see and experience the new Surface Duo. But then when that one released, it has his own problems. Now everybody is expecting for the Surface Duo 3, and we have some rumors that, you know, the theme was moved. There's no more theme for the Surface Duo and everything. So I understand that the chances of getting something is really small, but there are some rumors right now, and most of them, they go in on a foldable, which is kind of destroying the idea. I mean, if I have to choose between a foldable from Microsoft and a foldable from Samsung, I will choose Samsung every day. Microsoft literally dumped the support for the Surface Duo. I mean, the Surface Duo 2, how is Android 14 going? Huh? You know, nothing. You didn't update the device. You didn't support your own devices. I mean, Edge, when Edge released with the new Bing AI, Surface didn't got it. Samsung got it, Surface didn't. And not to say the software that you're offering for them, you know, you're limiting the customization, you're limiting every single thing on your devices. You're not letting people enjoy their devices how it should be like an Android phone. They're still limited. But the main thing is that you don't support it. So even if Surface Duo 3 will come out, doesn't matter if it's a dual screen or it's a big foldable screen, people will not buy. I know I won't. I'll probably watch on YouTube some of the reviews and see what people are saying and stuff like that before I even consider thinking about, is it worth it? Should I risk it? Because this is the problem. Even if the reviews will be amazing, it's still a risk. because you, Microsoft, will still abandon it as fast as possible if it doesn't make the sales that you want to. You know, Pixel, how many years did the Pixel actually struggle? You know, they were Nexus, they became Pixel, they were literally losing money until I think the Pixel 6 was the one who literally gave them a boost. And now look where they are. They're not the best company on the planet, but they still push their devices, they're updating their devices because they have the money to do it. And Microsoft, you have the money to do it. What was the market that you offer for the Surface Duo? Nothing. I didn't see one ad on TV, on a billboard, or anywhere about the Surface Duo. And then you wonder, oh, why it failed? You know, if you want to continue with the Surface Duo lineup, and especially dual screen, I will love it. If not, I hope there's another company who will want to do this, because if we're being honest, LG V60 I think it was called, they did it with a case. And it was working perfectly. Perfect. Literally zero lag, good performance, perfect. And then Microsoft, one of the richest companies on the planet, they couldn't do it. But yeah, this is my opinion. If you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Like this will get notified from YouTube with every single video that I post. And I will see you guys in the next one.